Today's food isn't really traditional Korean food. These are recipes inspired by things people share online these days, and my sister slightly changed them in her own style. One uses tortillas and eggs, and the other is kind of like a homemade burrito wrap. We'll also try mixing espresso with pingere banana milk. Banana milk is actually a very popular drink among foreign visitors to Korea. And at the end of the video, we'll show you a modern dessert made from Yakgwa, a traditional Korean sweet. In Korea, people probably see tortillas most often at places like Subway, kebab shops, taco places, or even KFC. And these days, some Korean BBQ restaurants also serve tortillas occasionally. So tortillas aren't exactly unfamiliar in Korea, but I also wouldn't say they are something Koreans eat very often. Since today's recipes aren't really traditional ones, I think it's totally fine to follow them exactly, or just keep the general idea and make your own version. That goes for the meat seasoning and the sauce inside the tortilla too. Teriyaki sauce or barbecue sauce would probably work really well. This is kind of personal, but I think almost every type of flatbread tastes good. The bread you eat with Indian curry, pita bread, things like that. I've liked them ever since I was young. Do you also like flatbread? Since we probably won't have enough time to talk about the flavors later, I'll explain them now. The tortilla with egg was really filling. I think it would make a great breakfast. And the one with beef, honestly, it tastes exactly how you'd expect. There is almost no way something like that could taste bad. The kids love both of them. As I mentioned earlier, banana milk is actually very popular among foreign visitors to Korea. I think part of the reason is the cute bottle design, but also because the flavor is softer and creamier than many people expect. It somehow feels very Korean too. This time, we mixed in 2 shots of espresso. And honestly, it tastes kind of like a latte. Surprisingly, it was pretty good. As I mentioned earlier, the flavor is probably something most people would enjoy. And this is kind of unrelated, but these days, my nieces and nephews say they are really happy because my sister keeps making delicious food for the videos. I thought that was pretty cute.
바나나 향 나는 바닐라 라떼 같은 맛.
This is a dessert where traditional Korean yakgwa is placed on top of a cookie. It was really good, If you ever see this at a convenience store in Korea, we definitely recommend trying it. Thank you for watching today's video.